Hi guys, this is Ashutosh Anand and I welcome you all to this series of Python programming tutorials. In this tutorial, I will be giving a brief introduction about Python and also about how the tutorials would be structured. So let me start with the introduction part. What is Python? Python is a widely used general purpose high level programming language. It supports multiple programming paradigms such as object oriented, imperative and functional or procedural styles. That means you're not bound to any fixed programming style. You can choose any of the programming style to work with Python. This makes Python a very flexible language to work with. So why should you choose Python as your language? Simply because it's awesome. Yeah, you will see how simple is it to program in Python. Uh, it is also ideal for beginners because it does not include much syntax as in other languages. Because of this, it leads to fast application development. You can develop your application really fast in comparison to other programming languages. The main motive of developing Python was to enhance code readability. So you can just read the code and understand what's going on there. It supports large number of libraries and you can express your concepts in a fewer lines of code. So let's talk about history of Python. Python first came in 1991 and was primarily designed by Guido van Rossum. Then Python 2 was released on 16 October 2000 with many new features such as full garbage collector and a support for Unicode. Following that, Python 3 was released on 3rd December 2008 after a very long period of testing with some major backwards incompatible release. Current stable versions of Python are Python 3.4.0 and Python 2.6.7. In these tutorials, I will be working with Python 2.6.7. So let's talk about the tutorials. I will be starting with very basics. So don't worry if you are new to programming. I will be explaining each concept in very detail. Notes and source code will be provided. After each tutorial, I will be giving links to the notes and source code of that tutorial. I will be also developing small projects and applications depending on what we have learned in the previous tutorials. In between the tutorials, I will also be providing some useful tips and tricks that will help you in your programming. So in the next programming tutorial, we will see how to install Python on a system and we will create a simple hello world program. So that's it for this tutorial. See you guys in the next tutorial. Bye.